and welcome to JK News Network. You are watching Evening Bulletin with Shaheen Ali. Here we bring updates from India and all over the world. So let's get the top news coverage. On Saturday, various opposition parties led by the left party chakka jammed in different parts of Ranchi against the agricultural bill in booty mode. The protesters sat on the middle road. As a result, trains coming from Bokaro, Hazaribagh and Patna to Ranchi got breaks for 2.5 hours. Neither trains were allowed entry into the city nor allowed out. Even after this, the ambulance was not allowed to brake. In about 2.5 hours, about 18 ambulances came out of the chakka jam. Along with the police personnel, the protesters also went ahead and removed ambulance from the crowd, so that patients do not have any kind of trouble. Apart from ambulances, the doctors did not stop the women carrying children from going out of the crowd. After the conclusion of the farmers' 3-hour chakka jam, Bharatiya Kisan Union leader Rakesh Tikat from the platform of Ghazipur border said that the movement would continue if the government withdraws new agricultural laws and enacts laws on minimum support price. We will travel across the country and there will be agitation all over the country. Tikat said that we have given the government till October 2 to repeal the laws. After this, we will do further planning. We will not discuss it with the government under pressure. He alleged that the government is intimidating farmers by sending notices, but farmers are not afraid of this. The Jawan is guarded by farmers on cast soil. This will not make the businessman look badly at our land. Our platform and punch are the same. We are ready if the government calls for talks. Tikat also said that the government loves merchants and not farmers. The state's main opposition party, BJP, has raised serious questions on the Hemant government over several amendments related to the JPSC exam, including the withdrawal of the Raghuvar government's planning policy. Terming the decision to cancel revised planning policy of 2016 and 2018 as irrelevant, the Bharatiya Janata Party has protested. BJP state spokesperson Kunal Sarangi has sharply criticized the government's decision as absurd, said that denying employment to lakhs of eligible youth in haste without implementing new planning policy is a serious offence. He has also expressed deep concern for the successful participants who were waiting for the appointment letter. England ended the second day of the Chennai test at 558/8 on Saturday. England captain Joe Root smashed 218 runs, the highest ever score in a test by an Englishman in India. Root has hit 5 double hundreds in test cricket. Ishant Sharma, Jasprit Bumrah, Ravichandran Ashwin and Shahbaz Nadeem have picked 2 wickets each in the first innings. Sonu Sood, who launched various programs last year to help people in need, said feeding and sending people back home during coronavirus was not my only job but to take care of their health and education as well. He further said healthcare, education and employment were badly hit during the pandemic and added that he worked day and night for these 3 departments. So that's all for today. For more news updates, stay connected with JK News Network. Thank you.